Hey everybody, and welcome to this week's Conversation Marketing Site Review. Today is October 2nd, 2009. I'm Ian Lurie, the author of Conversation Marketing, and today we're reviewing ehubpensacola.com. And this week, I swear I'm going to be under 10 minutes. I've been trying every week. Last week I was at 11 minutes and I managed to trim off 60 seconds and get the video under 10. This week I'm going to finish before 3:08 p.m., which I can see on the little clock at the top of my computer screen. So anyway, doing a review of eHub Pensacola today. This site is a coupon site, and it lets people come here and find good deals and discounts and things like that. I'm assuming in the Pensacola area in Florida. A couple of different general categories I'm going to be talking about. SEO is definitely one. Your ability to get traffic on this site is very, very important. But also a little bit about call to action, how I think you get more businesses to sign up, and some business model issues that I think you might want to think about. Let's start with SEO. So you want to rank for things like Pensacola discount, Pensacola coupons, Pensacola sales, things like that. But if you look at your title tag up here at the top, it starts with ehubpensacola.com Pensacola discount dash free coupons, etc. Don't put your brand first. Your brand should go last. The title tag is very, very important to SEO. Search engines check it to see what a page is about. And they also check to see what terms come first in the title tag. So right now your title tag is most relevant for the phrase ehubpensacola.com. You don't really care about that. You're going to show up in a search for your domain name, hopefully. You want to show up for Pensacola discount, Pensacola coupons, and things like that. So I would either just totally remove ehubpensacola.com or move it all the way to the end of your title tag. So one of those two things. The other thing is that your home page doesn't have any actual text on it. If I click and drag here, you notice that I can move this around. That's because this is one big image. There's no text that's readable on this page. And in fact, if I go into my webmaster or web developer toolbar and I turn off CSS, this is what I end up with. So again, you see there's really no text for a search engine to latch onto. And search engines do not understand images at all. Now I understand that you may have done this because you wanted to keep the type set a certain way and looking pretty and everything. Pretty does not matter for you. Okay, your job here is to drive traffic, get people printing out these coupons, and get them using them. If you're going to do that, you're going to need SEO, and you're going to need to use some of the terms on your homepage that will bring you traffic. So again, think of terms like discounts, coupons, sales. Make sure that you include the name of the location. So Pensacola in this case really needs to be showing up in the text on this page. And then again, the text on this page needs to be text, not a graphic. So those are the main SEO issues I saw as I came through the site. Now there are others, but I think these are the ones you really need to take care of first. One other general SEO issue that I'll talk about, this is also a usability issue, by the way. You have a lot of stuff in your top nav here. Start, browse, search, save, restaurants, services, retailers, discounts, members, tutorials. To me, the things that matter, the things I'm going to care about when I get here are going to be restaurants, services, retailers. Discounts, save 50%. And somehow they need to be tied together. It should somehow save 50% and discounts shouldn't be separate from restaurant services and retailers. It should be that there's a section where you can get discounts at restaurants, a section where you can get discounts at services, a section where you can get discounts at retailers. Then in a separate navigation cluster, somewhere else on the page, you can have, click here to see all 50% off coupons. Click here to see all discounts. Browse, search, start, members, and tutorials, I would put those somewhere else on the page. For one thing, I'm not sure what start means. I mean, I'm here to get a coupon. I'm here looking for a deal. What do I have to start? I want to just get my coupon, print it, and get out. That's all I want to do. I really don't want to have to do anything else. Browse, yeah, browse I can understand, but it doesn't have to be a top-level navigation item. That can be somewhere else. Search should really be a search field or a search button somewhere else on the page. Don't confuse your users. Don't give them too many things to have to evaluate. They should be able to get to your homepage and make a choice right away. And their choice is that if they're here, is to get a discount. The other thing I would do, and this is getting into pure usability in your business model, I would just list coupons right here on the homepage. List your certificates, your thrift certificates. Just list them all out. Don't give this splash intro page, because when people come here, they want to see the coupons, and you're up against sites like retailmenot.com, where the moment I land on the website, I have a list of coupons right there on the page. So you really want to make sure that you've got your coupons shown right then and there. Now, the other thing is, I know you have a unique model here. You have iCoupons and thrift certificates. That's an interesting model. It's certainly unique. It's a different way to approach things. But I guess my concern is it involves too much work on the part of your readers. So if I come through to here, I see it says shop locally with eHub thrift certificates. It just makes sense. The problem is that I then have to come in here and kind of track all this down, and I come into here, click to here. Okay, now I have these, but now I have to buy something. So I click add to cart, gets added to my cart, and then I have to check out and buy it. That's fine, but I'm not generally going to get led into this that way. I'm going to get led in by seeing a list of places I can get discounts. So like right here it says, I can get free onion rings. Cool, I like onion rings. So I click here, and I get to the iCoupon page. All right, now this tells me I can just take this coupon and print it. Awesome. Okay, that's what I want to see. When I'm on your home page, that's what I want to see. I just want to know. As far as get a half-price discount from this business, I think this is the way you want to approach it. So don't confuse your business model with the cool technology that you want to offer. Your business model here is that you're offering discounts and coupons, and I'm assuming you're being compensated by the business owners for that. So emphasize the discounts that people can get with a single click. If they can do that when they come to your site, they're going to remember and they're going to spread the word, and then you have an opportunity to sell them on coming back and buying thrift certificates where they can save even more money. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know, and I'll post some further explanation. The only other thing I would say is, because you do want local businesses to add themselves to this site, see up here where it says own a local business? That kind of gets lost for me. I would like to see that more dominant on every single page. So if I click in here to retailers, if I'm a retailer, I'm here and I'm looking around. I'm looking to see, okay, is there anybody in here like me? If not, then what I want to see is I want to see a bright button right here or right down here that says, would you like your business on this page? Click here. And then I can click there, place my order, get my coupon on there, and I'm good to go. Okay, one last thing, and it looks like I'm going to make it under 10 minutes. This sales page for businesses, I like the way you've got it structured, but this call to action, you need to make this much clearer. So instead of a steady screen, click here to start creating your steady stream of new customers. At least test some things like get started, sign up, add listing. Try some more action-oriented, more shorter stuff that you can put in here. That's it for my quick site review for the week. I hope that this is helpful for you. If you have any questions about this review, please let me know. Also, one quick shameless plug at the end here, which I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. I am now offering a one-shot site review. It's 1 hour of my time on the phone reviewing your site. You can see that review, the deal for that review, at www.portent.com/SEO. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next week.